Hi, I'm Dr. Emmanuel with Vinci Hair Africa. It's Men's Health Month, and today we'll examine some hair loss cases and how they got so bad. So right here, we can see a case of hair loss, which is relatively in its early stages. You can see that there's thinning of the hair from the crown right down to the front. And if you look closely, the angles of the hair are also receding. Now, it's important to note that hair loss is progressive, and with the right consultation at an earlier stage like this, you can halt the progression and reverse the hair loss. For this sort of situations, we typically prescribe like a PRP and medication. PRPs are platelet-rich plasma treatments, which are great for rejuvenating hair and restoring this sort of hair losses. Take a look at this next case. This is a more progressive form than the last. We can see that there are bald patches all the way from the front up to the crown. There's a healthy donor area, however, and this means that we can actually do a hair transplant for this sort of patient. The hair transplants that we do here in our clinic in Lagos is the FUE, the follicular unit extraction. Once again, remember, it does not have to get to this stage. If we diagnose early enough, your hair does not have to get as progressively bald as this. Now, take a look at this last case. This is extensive baldness affecting the crown and going down even back to the area we consider the donor area. So for a client such as this, I would not even recommend a hair transplant. However, we can have our MSP procedure done for this client. The MSP is the microscalp pigmentation, and it mimics a shaved look for the hair, and you can spot that shaved look and wear your hair in confidence. So all cases of hair loss that we've reviewed today are cases of male pattern baldness or androgenic alopecia. It is important to note that if you do not let this progress from one stage to the other, then you can have an easier journey in restoring your hair. So men, you don't have to let your hair get so bad before you come looking for solutions to your hair loss. Once you begin to see the signs, receding hairline, thinning of the hair begins to change in texture, feels like baby hair. And then you can see your scalp from the top of your head. Once you see these signs, it's time to come get a consultation. It's free. I mean, you don't have to wait till you've lost all your hair before you do something about your hair loss.